Hello friends, welcome to Audiobook Daily. Today we'll talk about On Meditation by Sri M. In a small village wrapped in misty winters, lived a man named Arjun. He was known not for ambition or discipline, but for his laziness. While others rose with the sun to tend fields or pursue work in the nearby town, Arjun slept late, blaming fate for his lack of progress. Life felt heavy, opportunities slipped away, and every failure deepened his belief that success was meant for others, not him. One winter morning, after another rejection for a simple job, Arjun sat by a dying fire, watching frost cling to the trees. Something inside him cracked, not in anger, but in exhaustion. He wasn't tired of working, he was tired of living without purpose. That evening, an old wandering monk visited the village for a winter retreat. Villagers gathered for warmth and stories. Arjun came only to escape the cold. The monk spoke softly about meditation, not as an escape from life, but as a way to meet it fully. Stillness, he said, is not laziness. It is the most powerful action of all. Those words lingered in Arjun's mind long after the monk left. This is where Sri M's teachings begin to unfold. In On Meditation, Sri M explains that meditation is not about forcing the mind to be quiet or chasing mystical experiences. It is about awareness, simple, alert, and effortless. Like Arjun, most people confuse stillness with inactivity. But Sri M reveals that inner silence is the source of clarity, energy, and right action. Inspired, Arjun began waking early, not to work, but to sit quietly. At first, his mind rebelled. Thoughts of failure, regret, and fear flooded in. Sri M explains this phase clearly. When awareness begins, the mind resists because it fears losing control. Meditation is not about fighting thoughts, but observing them without attachment. As days passed, Arjun noticed subtle changes. His breath slowed. His reactions softened. He no longer felt overwhelmed by his circumstances. According to Sri M, breath is the bridge between body and consciousness, and when breathing becomes natural and unforced, awareness deepens on its own. Winter deepened, but something inside Arjun warmed. Sri M teaches that bliss is not created through effort, it is uncovered when the mind stops interfering. Arjun began to feel moments of peace, not excitement, not joy, but a calm strength. He started helping villagers without being asked. He accepted work without resentment. Action flowed naturally, without resistance. This reflects a core message of the book. Meditation transforms life not by changing circumstances, but by changing perception. As weeks passed, Arjun was no longer lazy, not because he forced discipline, but because clarity replaced confusion. Sri M emphasizes that true power is inner balance, not external achievement. From stillness comes right movement. Eventually, Arjun found steady work in the town. He learned skills, earned respect, and saved money. But more importantly, he no longer defined himself by success or failure. Meditation had shifted his identity, from a struggling victim to a conscious participant in life. Sri M explains that meditation must move beyond the cushion into daily life. Awareness while walking, working, speaking, and even struggling is the highest form of practice. Arjun embodied this teaching. Even when challenges came, he remained anchored. Years later, during another winter, Arjun hosted a small meditation gathering in the village, the same place where he once hid from life. He spoke simply, "I didn't change the world. I changed how I met it." This closing mirrors Sri M's timeless wisdom. When awareness awakens, life aligns naturally. Just as winter melts into spring, Arjun's life unfolded, not through force, but through inner awakening. Meditation didn't make him escape the world. It taught him how to live fully within it. And in that stillness, he found infinite bliss and quiet power, exactly as Sri M promised. Thank you for listening. If you like the audio, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in next Audiobook Daily.